In this video, we will do 5 major and important steps to make notes. So, welcome to our amazing channel Study Philics, where you will get videos on demand. Now, every student has a doubt. Yes, how to make notes, but not notes. We are talking about powerful notes. Now, you will be like, what? Powerful notes? What does it mean? So, it simply means notes which have the power to fulfill your needs and which helps you to revise a topic quickly. So, let's get started. Let's talk about the steps, okay? Firstly, read chapter and underline what is important. But be careful. You only need to underline what is important from exam point of view, not yours, okay? And remember, you are making notes, not writing or copying a book. Step number 2. Start making notes topic wise and write short statements by describing the topic, okay? Step number 3. Try to make notes on loose sheets so that you can arrange them easily and can add anything anytime. Now, this is plus step. Why? Because because many times you forget to write some important points in your notes and wanted to add them. So this step will definitely help you for adding them. Now, step number 4. You can add mind maps and flowcharts to make it more attractive and efficient. And yes, using some colored pens will also make your notes attractive. Now, don't forget to revise them weekly or monthly, because if you don't do this, this will make no sense to make notes at all. So, that's all from my side, and good luck for your note making. I hope you liked my video, and if the answer is yes, then hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for such an amazing videos. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon for updates. Thank you. Have a good day.